User Account Control, or UAC, it's an umbrella term for a set of technologies that Microsoft introduced with Windows Vista. And the idea, well, there are two main ideas, I guess. First idea was to make it much easier for people to log on and to use their computers in everyday situations as a standard user. And the second main reason was to try and persuade developers to actually create applications that run as a standard user and don't need any special privileges. I guess the main issue with UAC is that it's very much a user-driven technology. So with UAC, although it's been a huge step forwards, especially in the consumer space for Microsoft Windows, in the enterprise it still requires users to make a decision about security. So are we going to allow this process to run with elevated privileges or not? Is UAC suitable for the enterprise? Well, it's certainly something that the enterprise can benefit from, because as I said, there are various components to UAC which are useful for organisations. But it's not a complete solution, so if you really want to benefit from UAC, you need to be able to take away those security decisions from end users and put that in the hand of IT. And if there are going to be any elevation prompts, you need to be able to customize that so users really have a clear understanding about what is it they're being asked to make a decision about. Where is this message coming from? You can brand it with a third-party solution like a Vecto Privilege Guard. You can brand those messages so that users are more confident that yes, that is a genuine security prompt and I can feel confident in responding to that. A product like a Vecto Privilege Guard can bring a lot of flexibility in terms of customizing UAC so that it's better suited for remote users, to turn it into a business-driven policy so that users are not having to make decisions about security which maybe they don't understand. And it can also be configured to actually really minimise the prompts that UAC throws up. I'd recommend using a Vecto Privilege Guard as a global leader in Windows privilege management to supplement UAC so that it can be fully customised, so that you can brand those messages and give users confidence that they're replying to real security messages, use it to minimise those prompts, and turn UAC into a business policy-driven technology so that IT are making the security decisions and taking that responsibility away from users. Also, it has great multilingual support for all of those messages that you want to customise into the UAC prompts.